Hey everyone, today we'll be drawing a bright sunflower. You will need a drawing pad, Texta Zoom Twist crayons, and Texta Nylorite colouring markers, and that's it. So for the sunflower, you use pretty simple shapes like circles and ovals. I'm going to start with the centre of the sunflower. We'll go with black as an outline. The sunflower has a bigger middle than most flowers. And petals are your oval. More petals on a sunflower than a regular flower as well. Okay, in the centre of the sunflower they've got all the seeds and they look a little bit like little circles. You get all your outlines done first and then we have some fun with the colour. And the seeds get smaller as they go towards the middle as well. Don't worry too much about getting the circles perfect, because nothing in nature is perfect anyway. You can use colours then to start colouring some of these in. So we start with darker colours in the middle. And we move to lighter colours on the outer edge. Awesome, so you've got all of your colours done in the middle there, but you've got a little bit of white space in there as well. So we're going to use these crayons to fill in the blank spaces. Okay, that's a lot of colouring. So now we use our Texta Nylorite colouring markers to get some detail on the petals here as well. So your petals on sunflowers are yellow, but they've got really lovely stripes in the middle of them. Alright, a lot of lines. We get our yellow and we colour in the petals. And just to add a little bit of detail, we're going to use brown and just get a few little lines in there, show a little bit of colour variation. Okay, so now you just need some leaves in there. So we're going to use green. It's going to come out from the side here. A stem, and a lovely big leaf here. So use your dark green to get the details in, like the veins. And then you can use your light green to fill in the gaps. And you can add a little bit of detail with the dark green one. And And that's how to draw a really cool sunflower using
Texta Nylorite colouring markers
and
Texta Zoom Twist crayons.
if you want to see more cool videos, like and subscribe, or leave a comment and let us know what you'd like to see next.